Hello, this is Blue Arctic Bear, and I bought two new games, and I wanted to show you one right now. So, let's get started. As a little boy. Okay. Yeah, just stick with that. Wait, no. Go back. There we go. Okay, so it's called A Bird Story. So, let's begin. What? Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I don't know what I did. Whoa. Hey. What the? Oh, okay. I'm like, what's he doing? Oh, he's sad. So he throws a paper airplane and goes in the house. Apartment thinger. And goes to bed. Okay. Closes a book. Hops in bed. Turns off the lamp. And sleeps. Okay. Is he dreaming? Or something? No, it's daytime now, I think. What now? Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. What now? Why am I walking backwards? Seriously, what? Ah! What? Okay, why backwards? Am I going back in time or something? Whoa. I am so confused right now. Oh, now we're in school. Why is everyone shadows? Miss Teacher, why can't I see your face? I ripped out a page to make a paper airplane again. That is mean. But I did nothing. That kid's a dick. What the?
Zombies?
No, those are children that apparently we can't see. Also, some shadow kid stinking made me in trouble. I did nothing. I can move now?
I'm confused. Is this that same bird game?
Yeah. What am I supposed to be doing here?
Nobody knows.
I don't know what to do here.
Maybe check out those giant masses. Blockers or doors coming out of the bottom. Trees?
Looks like it.
I'll keep going.
Okay, you know I'm recording, right?
No, I didn't know. So there.
What? Well, I figured out where I'm supposed to go, I think. Right there. Huh. What now? Whoa! Okay. At least I thought I knew what I was supposed to do, but apparently not. Well, there I am again, so might as well go there. I am a curious kid that... No, oh, I think I'm going home now. It looks like I have a backpack. Can I get lost in the trees? Can't go any farther. I don't know. I don't want anybody to see me. Okay, well, Then I'm going home, I guess.
You'd be like, Mom, I see shadow children.
No.
That ain't creepy at all. It's like some creepy dark abyss just awaiting
No, that's not an abyss. It's,
your entrance to be
I
like,
think I'm dreaming or something.
oh. Well, apparently it does not want to years ago.
I think that's what's going on.
Find out you're not. Be like, well then.
Just go out to the street. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey. See, right? Random shadow peoples. Wait, is that my mom? I think that's my mom.
Maybe you have amnesia so you don't recognize anyone.
Nope, I don't know. I don't think I know that person. I just stepped away. Huh.
Well then. They will forever.
This doesn't look creepy at all. What's up with this creepy meat? There are mice in here. Might want to check that out. Okay. Sounds a little bit more normal. Turn on some lights. So far, it's a pretty cute game, even though it's sad.
What?
It seems sad at the moment.
We'll
well.
Never fucking know what this is.
There isn't any dialogue, so. What?
Maybe it's a note from the parents.
Okay, I'm like, what the heck? What? What?
What's in the corner?
That's where it wants me to go.
It's like, go the fuck to sleep.
There's something shiny.
A window?
No, that. It is shiny.
Oh.
It's shiny.
Maybe that's what it's referring to.
Huh, maybe. There's another shiny over here.
The turning on and off of the switch.
Well, now that I figured that out. Huh. Hey! Is anybody home? What? Oh, wow. What a naughty little boy. Okay, now can I? Okay. Wait, Mom, Dad are home. Let's jump on the bed. My bedroom. Huh? I must get a lot of those.
Papers?
Mm-hmm.
Which means his parents are probably always at work then.
Hungry. Like, I'm gonna study. No, I'm hungry. Gonna get myself some food. Wow. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be doing that. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna go study. Do-do-do-do-do. Pretty smart for like actually studying. Why do I study, then rip out my paper just to like crinkle it up to make a
paper airplane? So yes, my eternal guess is
I fell. Ouch.
that he's always home alone.
My face. Go back to studying or whatever I'm doing. Getting a little tired or something. It's getting duskish.
Well then.
I'm getting really tired. Oh. Sleeping at the desk, I guess.
It's like, well, we're gonna make your world black now.
No, I was like getting tired and like doing homework, I guess. What? All of a sudden, I got a blanket on my back. Is that when my parents came home? I'm awake, I'm awake, I'm awake. What? Oh!
Just threw something
And then through the bed. Yes. Wait. I got a thing. Where did it come from? How did it? I'm happy. Oh. What?
Put it back.
Oh. So I go brush my teeth. What? Okay, that was interesting.
What the fuck just happened?
Notice a note. But I'm like, wait, I need my backpack. So let's go get my backpack. Got my backpack. Wait, I need my book.
I'm like, are you about to forget something else then?
Aww. So cute. Okay. Now I think I got everything.
He supposedly likes to journal. Or doodle mainly is what I'm referring to.
Should I eat something quick? Da-da-da-da!
Thing of noodles. Or rice on the tip. Are there muffins?
They're little muffins. It's raining. Grab an umbrella. Guess not.
Just like, fuck it. I don't need no umbrella. I ain't afraid of the rain.
Ah!
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, well, I almost got myself ran over.
Stupid.
I'm a brilliant one. Don't use that kind of profanity. How did I... Am I dreaming? I swear I'm dreaming.
Is your whole entire existence a dream?
I don't know.
Or maybe this...
Oh, I fell asleep.
I was going to say, maybe this is him dreaming of... I don't know. Stuff that he kind of wants and yet also incorporates stuff that just doesn't happen.
Oh. Oh, gosh. Yes. Wow! My teacher's so mean! I interjectly squat to you. Why are you so mean to me? Well, I really should have brought that umbrella. It sounds like it's storming.
Your mother freaking told you to, you know.
Looking around, I'm like, oh. bouncing around in the puddles.
Getting all fucking dirty.
So cute. For me getting booted out of class, I'm pretty happy. Is it a mushroom? I heard a bird. Whoa, why are the trees moving? Whoa, what the heck kind of madness is this? A bird's being chased by a badger. Now I'm shooing away the badger. Coming back. It stopped raining. Now I'm looking at a bird. Hey, bird. Peace. Think the bird can't fly. Guess I have to walk away. It happened again? Oh no. I'm just like hopping around. Just... Oh, it crawled in my backpack. Like, where'd the bird go? Well, better grab my backpack. Don't feel anything different. Not even it squirming, nothing. Oh, found it. And oh, he's singing. Oh, so cute. Why is there moving trees? Okay. But I think the trees are guiding me somewhere. Yep. The trees guided me to the vet. Open this darn door. I'm gonna break it down. Okay, or not, whatever. Just gonna go home then. With this adorable little bird peeking out of my backpack. Coming in. Oh gosh. Oh shoot. Oh gosh. Oh. That person seemed to not care. Huh. Just a whistle. Hopefully mommy doesn't know. Or daddy. Or whoever it is that never seems to be home. Oh! Peek to the side. What a oh my gosh, this is a cute game. Oh! Fixed up my hair. Grab the note. Go in my room. Put it down. Well, I think I'll end this episode here. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up or whatever. And or subscribe to my channel. Bye.